Very good morning, students. So, today I am going to start a new chapter from grammar, that is direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech is also called narration. So, whenever you hear the word narration, don't get confused. It is same as direct and indirect speech. Now, the question is, what is narration? Narration is the act of repeating the words of the speaker. When you repeat the words of the speaker, that is called a narration. Somebody said something, you have to tell that thing to somebody else. So, there are two ways of telling that. One is direct speech and one is indirect speech. And the process of telling that is called a narration. It will be more clear with examples, don't worry. Now, what is direct speech? Direct speech contains the actual words of the speaker. If you are repeating that thing, repeating the words of the speaker in the actual words of the speaker, then it will be called direct speech. And whenever you write it, you use double inverted comma to show it. See the example. Sarla said, my father has a business in Mumbai. You can see in this sentence, my father has a business in Mumbai. It has been put in double inverted commas. Why? Because this is the actual words of the speaker. So this is direct speech. And here, the sentence which is out of the comma, Sarla said, the verb of that sentence will be called reporting verb. So here the verb is said, so it will be reporting verb. And the sentence which is inside the double inverted comma, that will be reported speech. So my father has a business in Mumbai is reported speech. Same goes with sentence number 2. He said to me, I am feeling unwell today. So here also the sentence which is out of the comma, he said to me, verb of that sentence will be called verb. So said is verb here. Sorry, reporting verb here. And I am feeling unwell today. This is inside double inverted comma. So this will be called reported speech. And this is the actual words of the speaker. So here also this sentence is direct speech. Why? Because you are telling somebody's words in their actual words of the speaker. So said is reporting verb. I am feeling unwell today is reported speech. Now see what is indirect speech. Reporting someone else's statement in your own words without any change in the meaning of the statement. That will be called indirect speech. Suppose you are telling somebody's words in your own words, not in exactly in actual words of the speaker, then it will be called indirect speech. And when you write these sentences, the comma and inverted commas will be removed, and you will be using a conjunction to join two sentences, the sentence which is out of the comma and sentence which is inside the double inverted comma. Okay, so don't get confused. I have cleared three things. You have to remove the comma, you have to remove the inverted comma, and you have to put a conjunction to join those sentences. Okay, let's see some examples. Sarla said that her father had a business in Mumbai. Now here you can see there is no comma, there is no inverted comma, and we have used the conjunction that over here to join two sentences, one which was out of the comma and one which was inside the comma. So this is indirect speech. Sentence number 2, he told me that he was feeling unwell that day. In this sentence also we have removed the comma, we have removed the double inverted comma, and we have used a conjunction that to join the two sentences, one out of the comma, one inside the comma. So this is also indirect speech. Now let's see a table. You have to note down this table in your copy. When you change any sentence from direct speech to indirect speech, you need to change these things according to the same table what I have given you. So if there is, am, are in direct speech, when you will be converting it into indirect speech, it will become was or were. Has or have will become had, was or were will become had been, will become would, can becomes could, may becomes might, verb first form becomes verb second form, and verb second form becomes had plus verb third form. Okay, some more changes. This changes into that, these changes into those, here changes into there, now changes into then, ago changes into before, today changes into that day, yesterday changes into the day before or the previous day, and tomorrow changes into the next day or the following day. So this change you have to do when you are converting a sentence from direct to indirect speech. Let's see some examples. You said he is a very good athlete. Now, very easily you can find out that the sentence is direct speech. Why? Because we have used comma and double inverted comma over there. Now, when you change it into indirect speech, you have to remove the comma and you have to use that over there to join two sentences, one which is out of the comma and one which is inside the comma. And as according to the table which I just gave you, is mr changes into was were, so is will be converted into was. So the answer will be, you said that he was a very good athlete. Sentence number 2. I said I have finished my work. Same procedure we will do here also, and according to the table, has or have changes into had, so here also have will be converted into had. So answer will be, I said that I had finished my work. Sentence number 3. You said they were busy the whole day. Here also we will follow the same thing, removing comma, removed double inverted comma, use conjunction that. Answer will be, you said that they had been busy the whole day. Why we have used had been? Because was were changes into had been according to the table I gave you. So it's very easy, you have to keep it in mind what changes into what, and then you will easily do it, and you can easily identify which sentences are direct speech, which sentences are indirect speech. Direct speech will be there will be comma, double inverted comma. Indirect speech there will be not, there will not be any comma or any double inverted comma, and you will use conjunction over there to join the sentences. I hope it is clear to you now. There should not be any confusion. Yes, when you will practice, it will be more and more clear to you, so don't worry about it. Okay, so after these three sentences, I'll be taking few more sentences to make it clear to you. So sentence number 4. He said to me, I will meet you tomorrow. Okay, whenever you find said to and you have to change into indirect, said to will be changed into told. So he told me, again remove comma and add a conjunction that. I will meet you tomorrow will changes into would. So he would meet me tomorrow. Okay, again tomorrow changes into the next day according to the next table which I gave you. So he told me that he would meet me the next day. Sentence number 5. She said, I want to go for a movie. So she said, remove comma and write that. Now it's not about I, it's about she. So we will use she over there. This you have to practice and then it will be clear to you. Pronoun changes according to the main subject. So that you have to practice. So she said that she. Now want is verb first form, and according to the table, verb first form changes into verb second form. So want will be changed into wanted. So the answer will be, she said that she wanted to go for a movie. Okay class, now I hope it is clear. Still any doubt, don't worry. When you will practice, gradually you will understand it completely. So that's why I have started with easy few sentences, and once you will be confident in these kind of sentences, then I'll take you further to little bit tough sentences. So I hope you have understood. Direct speech, you will be getting actual words of the speaker. There will be comma, there will be double inverted comma. Indirect speech, there will not be any comma, no double inverted comma, and there will be a conjunction that. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much. I want you all to practice as much as you can so that it will be more clear to you. Thank you so much.